KCBQ. Gary Wright and the Dream Weaving Song. We got it right here at Q. It's Danny Wright. He's all night. Starts at 2 here.
I've just...
Leo, come on in here, baby. Come on. Blue eyes and your glasses and all that stuff. Acting tough.
I was traveling down
KCBQ, hello, this is Shots. Who's this?
This is Lulu.
Lulu, baby. What's happening? Where you been all my life?
Oh, here.
What part of San Diego do you live, Lulu?
I live in National City.
Natural City, baby. I love it down there. Listen, I want to tell you, you know what you're going to do?
What?
You know what you're going to do tomorrow night?
No, what am I going to do?
You're going to go see Chicago.
All right. That's pretty nice.
Yes, and who are you going to take with you?
I don't know yet. Me and my boyfriend.
Oh, far out, baby. Well, listen, just keep it on the queue, okay?
All right.
Because that's who gave the tickets to you, the old Shots and the queue.
All right.
Hang on.
If you think buying a diamond ring is an like fancy farm,
In the flash, baby, yes. KCBQ. Shotgun Tom Kelly, that's Shots for shorts. I've always been into shorts. I've always been into longs myself, too, you know. This just happens to be one of them longs. 4 minutes long, to be exact. Johnny Taylor and the Disco Lady. KCBQ in the streets of San Diego. Oh, that sounds like a good title for a TV show. I can just see it now, man, coming across the TV screen. The Streets of San Diego, starring Danny Wright as Lieutenant Buster Knight, and Mason Dixon as Sergeant Stadenko, with guest star Jay Stone, and so on and so forth. Wouldn't that sound dynamite? And speaking about TV shows, I got a theme from everybody's favorite TV show, Welcome Back, Kotter, coming up next right here with me, Shotgun.
Hi, I'm Alan Hamill with another new way to save even more on delicious alpha.
Welcome back.
available.
Celebrate, no matter if I do on the queue, I got rare errands for you. You better believe it. I just want to celebrate. KCBQ celebrates with thousands of dollars in cash. Keep it tuned to find out what's going on. 3:30 from Shotgun Time. KCBQ, Shotgun Tom Kelly, and as Danny Wright might say, he's really Mr. Nice Guy. You gotta believe that. He's one of the nicest men in the world that I know, and he would probably say, make somebody feel good today. Yeah. Well, I gotta agree with him, yeah.
Shining star for you to see what your life can truly be. Shining star for you to see what your life can truly be.
KCBQ is Shotgun Tom at 3:34.
Tom Murphy here, speaking from the Bedroom Waterbed Company location on Claremont Mesa Boulevard.
KCBQ celebrates the bicentennial with thousands of dollars in cold hard cash. You just keep it cute for details.
Make sure the beer is, too.
Let it be low and brown.
Shotgun Tom. KCBQ. Oh, do I ever remember this one, man? When I was going to Mount McGill High School, my old high school class of 68, I was out in the quad, man, doing a radio show out there in the quad, and this was one of the songs I played. Van Morrison, Brown Eyed Lady, baby. Yeah.
Hey, where did we go?
That's pretty hip, that guy sing along with a song in it. No. KCBQ, Shotgun Tom, really looking forward to this weekend. Going to be riding in the Lemon Grove Bicentennial Parade. Going to be waving and all. Hope you're going to be there too, baby.
I will love you
Records has the largest record store in the known world, and of course the largest LP collection in the known world too. Bachman Turner Overdrive is on sale right now on the Mercury label. It's called Head On with their brand new Far Out LP. BTO is usually listed at $6.98. Right now you pay only $3.66 Tower Records. Now you want a tape? Just add $1 and you got it. Now you can see Bachman Turner Overdrive in concert this Saturday night at the Sports Arena, and if you want to pick up their great brand new Mercury LP, you can do it at Tower Records. Remember, Head On by BTO, baby. It's super discount priced only $3.66, and you add $1 if you would like a tape. Remember, too, BTO live in concert this coming Saturday night at San Diego Sports Arena. Tower Records open tonight and every night of the year until midnight. Located across from the Sports Arena. Selection, selection, selection indeed. And LPs and tapes. Anything you want, you got it at Tower Records. So go get them.
Hi, who's this on Wolfman telephone? Use it blends easily with your skin. Clearasil Vanishing Formula works invisibly.
I may kid you, love, but I never lied to you. I'll take caller number 10 to go see Chicago in concert. Caller number 10, call now.
Day after day, I'm more confused.
KCBQ and Shots, and who is on my Southern California toll-free line? Wait a minute, baby, you gotta wait till I'm done. Who is on my toll-free line?
Lori Carlson.
Where do you live, Lori?
Huh?
Where do you live, honey?
I live in Encinitas.
Ah, okay, far out. Listen, that is a ways away, but I'll tell you, without any delay, I would like to send you to the Chicago concert.
Are you kidding me?
Listen, I never kid. I may lie. No, I do kid. I never lie to you, but I do kid you a lot, but this is not a joke this time, okay?
Oh, that's fantastic.
You're going to the concert. Compliments of me, Shots, and KCBQ.
Oh, thanks a lot.
You are welcome, baby.
All right, KCBQ.
3 90-minute cassettes, please. I've got to record this new song I wrote.
Oh, you can...